Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install dbt Core with Snowflake for analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Python installed on your machine. Visit the official Python website for the latest version. Download the appropriate installer for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Open your terminal or command prompt. To verify the installation, type Python version and hit enter. Next, you need to install dbt Core. Type pip install dbt Snowflake and press enter. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, you can verify dbt by typing dbt version in your terminal. Next, you need to create a dbt project. Navigate to the directory where you want to create the project. Type dbt init my_project_name and replace my_project_name with your desired project name. Change into your project directory by typing cd my_project_name. Now, configure your Snowflake connection. Open the profiles.yml file. The default location for this file is /dbt/profiles.yml. If it does not exist, create a new file named profiles.yml. In the profiles.yml, define a new profile for Snowflake. Specify the necessary configurations, including account, user, password, role, and warehouse. Next, configure your dbt project's connection settings. Open the dbt_project.yml file in your project directory. Edit the configuration to point to your Snowflake profile. Now, you can add your models. Create a new directory named Models in your project directory. Inside the Models directory, create .sql files for your dbt models. Write SQL queries to transform your data within these files. To run your models, return to your terminal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.